I'm putting the Samsung Galaxy A07 to the test to see if it really can compete as the best budget smartphone for just $100. This little phone has been making waves in the tech community, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The Galaxy A07 is part of Samsung's popular A series, known for offering great value at an affordable price. With its impressive specs and affordable price tag, it's no wonder it's getting so much attention. Samsung is one of the biggest names in the smartphone industry, and for good reason. They've been producing top-notch phones for years, and their Galaxy A series has been a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. The A series has come a long way since its inception, offering more and more features at lower and lower prices. The Galaxy A07 is the latest addition to this lineup, and it's looking to shake things up with its powerful processor, high-quality display, and long-lasting battery. But what really sets it apart is its price, just $100 for a phone that can handle all your basic needs and then some. So, what can you expect from the Galaxy A07? For starters, it has a beautiful 6.5-inch display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. The battery life is also impressive, with a massive 5,000 mAh battery that can easily last a day and a half. And when it comes to cameras, the Galaxy A07 has a quad camera setup with a 48MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The phone is powered by an octa-core processor, which provides smooth performance and efficient battery life. It also comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB with a microSD card. In terms of software, the Galaxy A07 runs on Android 10 out of the box, with Samsung's One UI skin on top. This provides a clean and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. But how does it perform in real life? I've been using the Galaxy A07 for a while now, and I've gotta say, it's been a pleasant surprise. The performance is smooth, and the battery life is incredible. The cameras are also pretty good, especially considering the price. That being said, there are some limitations. The phone's build quality is okay, but it's not the most premium feel. The display could also be a bit brighter, and the software could be a bit more polished. So, how does the Galaxy A07 stack up against other budget smartphones on the market? There are definitely some strong competitors out there, like the Xiaomi Redmi 9 and the Realme C3. These phones offer similar specs and features at competitive prices. But in my opinion, the Galaxy A07 stands out for its brand reputation, display quality, and battery life. It's also got a more premium feel than some of its competitors, which is a big plus. I've gotta say, I've been really impressed with the Galaxy A07. I've been using it as my daily driver for a while now, and it's been a great experience. The phone's performance, battery life, and camera capabilities have all been top-notch. As a budget-conscious buyer, I think it's hard to go wrong with the Galaxy A07. It's a great value for the price, and it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new phone. Overall, I'd give the Galaxy A07 a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's a great phone for students, seniors, or anyone who wants a reliable phone without breaking the bank. If you're interested in learning more about budget smartphones, be sure to check out my other video on the best budget phones under $200. And if you've got any thoughts on the Galaxy A07, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.